So this is a productivity tracker which I wanted to share with you. Okay, let's quickly cover this. So these all are the activities which we do every day. Most of the things. Okay, I'm not talking about drinking alcohol, but still, okay, these are some personal activities. So what I've done here is, now imagine this column is the list. Sorry, this column is the list of the activities which we do, which are minus $10 activity. I mean, if we do these activities, we are going to lose $10. Imagine this. These are the activities which are neutral. If we do this, we are not making money. We are not losing money. These are the activities which are low in impact. Like only if we are doing these activities, we make only $5 per hour. If we do this activity, $10 per hour, $100 per hour, and $500 per hour, and $1,000 per hour. So high productivity activities means if you go to the right side, the more per hour activity, it means it is a high productive activity. Okay. So $10 activity minus $10 activity. Okay. If you do this, what happens? You lose $10. Just train your mind like this. Okay. You lose $10. Okay. Example. If in case you drink alcohol, if in case you smoke, or you eat fast food, these three activities come into minus $10 activity. Okay. Because if you drink, what happens? Next day, you have a meeting tomorrow at 8 a.m. You have a meeting. You drunk last night, and you're not able to wake up properly. And one eye is closed, one eye is open, and you're just trying to. I mean, with this foggy mind, you're trying to explain about network marketing. Okay. See, network marketing, this business is all about transferring the energy. If you are not feeling good within yourself, you're not excited, you're not, fully charged up, fully alert, you will not be able to hit a sale, right? So these are minus $10 activity. Okay. Don't do this. Hanging out with negative people, this is going to lose. Just think, you are going to lose $10. Think about it. Worrying about what people will say. Oh, if I create a YouTube video, what will people say? What my Sas will say, Sasur will say. Okay. Avoiding problems that need fixing. Okay. Breaking promises. If you break promise, it is going to impact your, authority, or people will lose trust on you. Speaking bad words about your downline or upline. Now, this is again very bad activity. Many people, they say bad things about their upline. Our upline, he does not know anything. Okay. He's not worth. You are saying some negative things about your downline or your cross line. These are minus $10 activity. This is going to shape your mindset in a negative form, in a negative way. So don't do these activities. You are going to lose money. Okay. Got it? Now, next is $0 activity. Neutral. Watching Netflix, checking out Facebook, YouTube video. You're watching YouTube video unnecessarily. You're just watching video, not related to business, just some kind of Kapil Sharma show type. Okay. Playing video games. Okay. Following other people's lives, what people are doing on Instagram, where people are roaming around. Buying groceries and cooking and cleaning. These are actually $0 activity for you. Don't do this. Okay. Think about how to delegate this. Got it? Now, $5 activity. These are low in impact, but again, you are going to make some money. So I always say, don't do cold calling, don't do DM. But I say another thing, that is, it is better to do cold calling. It is better to do DM instead of doing nothing. Okay. So it is better to do cold calling and follow up rather than do all these things. Got it? Still law of average will work. If you're not, instead of doing this, do cold calling by. It is better. Got it? Attending meetings or phone calls of your team, replying to emails and social messages. Okay. Customer support. You're calling to your customer. You are supporting them. You're telling them, okay, where is your order? You're telling them about the delivery. They're worried about when will I get the product, and you're checking out with the customer care. It is good. Answering your phone and text. Okay. Editing your website landing page. Spelling everything perfectly. And then cold calling. All these are $5 activity. Got it? Now, $10 activity. It is going to give you much better money. That is solving a problem for a client or a team member. Suppose that your team member says, sir, I really want to do network marketing, but at my home, my wife is not supporting me. Sir, can you guide me? And if you're talking to that team member and you're guiding that person solving a problem of a team member, this is a $10 activity. Talking to a qualified prospect. Qualified prospect means somebody who has already watched your webinar and now you are just talking to them and clarifying all these doubts. Okay. Writing email to prospect or the client, outsourcing simple task, creating best practice documents, posting content on social media, reading books and taking courses, it is better. Okay, it is a $10 activity. So how many of you sometimes feel very bad, like I have bought so many courses, I've invested lakhs and lakhs of rupees in buying courses, but I have not got any results? How many of you sometimes feel bad about yourself like this? So don't feel bad. It is, I mean, at least you have not wasted money in unnecessary things. You have invested money in your knowledge. No problem. Don't feel bad about it. Okay. So reading books, taking courses, talking to existing customers, and learning to use tools. Like today, if you learn a new tool like Canva, you learn a new new tool like Kajabi, ConvertKit. I mean, this is a $10 activity, because whatever you are going to learn today, it is going to give you money later on, because you are getting familiar about the tool. Okay, is this clear? Are you finding this useful? Just type useful. Okay, I am just reading all your comments. Okay, just type useful if you're finding this useful. Yes, I'm going to share this. Okay, just wait. I'm going to give you this entire Excel sheet. Okay, don't worry. Stay tuned. Don't leave. Okay. So now this is very interesting. Creating best practice document. How many of you are interested to know what is this? You know, when I started network marketing, so whenever a new person joins a team, he always used to say, "Sir, what product should I recommend to person who has diabetes? Which product to recommend to a person who has some problem, this problem, that problem? What product to recommend to a person who has a sugar problem, skin problem, all these things?" Okay, so I used to give them advice again and again, again and again. So what I did, instead of that, to actually improve my productivity, what I did, I created a document. Okay, so this is my Facebook group, just sharing everything as it is. This is my Facebook group, and in this Facebook group, what I've done, under file section, I've uploaded this document called FLP FLP recommended product list. And can you see, it was in 2019, 29 January to 2019, morning 10:30 a.m. I uploaded this document, and because I uploaded this document, I created this document myself. And when I uploaded this document is actually saving lots and lots of time for me. If anybody joins my team, I tell them, okay, go and download this document, because this document actually gives you list of all the ailments, okay, in the left side, all the ailments, okay, and then what are the recommended product and dosage, how to use it. Okay, got it? So this way I created a best practice document. Is this clear? So that's what I'm trying to explain you about this. So as a leader, keep on creating these best documents. Think about what people are continuously asking to you, and think about how you can put effort once, and then it can be reused again and again. Just type bulb on if you got a bulb on moment. Okay, after watching this, what are the $100 activity which are going to give you more impact? Okay, these are highly productive. That's it. Like planning and organizing your day. Every Sunday evening, I plan my entire week. Okay, negotiating with a hot prospect, building sales funnel and webinars. When you build your webinar, this is a $100 activity. Okay, business audit. When you do your own business audit, you exercise, sleep and relax. This is also $100 activity. There is no need to hustle. Hanging out with good people, smart people. Meditation. When you do one-to-one meeting, one-on-one. Creating content on YouTube. This is $100 activity. Okay, keep on creating content on YouTube. Attending mastermind sessions. Okay, I am a part of some training groups, and when I attend those sessions, it gives me another perspective. It gives me another perception of looking at things. Okay, and then promoting my affiliate tools. Like there are some tools which I'm affiliate with, and I just promote those tools. So these are $100 activities. What are $500 activities? Creating and improving your products, creating and improving your offers, hosting a live webinar. You know what I'm doing right now is, this is a $500 activity, because I'm doing this live 5 days workshop. So when you do your live webinar, it is a $500 activity. High in, you can say, this is super money making activity for you. Establishing value and culture within your team, selling to qualified groups, public speaking. Okay, cutting cost. Sometimes we just continue spending money in some places which we need to do the audit, and we should cut those costs. So cutting costs, identify those things. Reflection and self-honest analysis. Then fixing repeated problems and errors, and having nutrition. Now this is very amazing. Having nutrition. Why? How is it $500 activity? So as a network marketer, Do you sometimes feel it is very tough for your team, I mean, to convince your team, okay, keep on using the products, correct? You try to convince your team members, okay, keep using the products, and they say, sir, it is too expensive, sir, I will better sell it rather than use it. Okay. But when you consume your product yourself, like I have this product, I consume my company's nutritional products regularly, like RG Plus, Aloe Vera, Nectar, Arctic Sea. All these are my company product, like Probi. So these products, when I consume myself, I feel more energetic. I feel more conviction in my company product. When my son, when my wife see me, when they see me using the product, they also use the product. They use shampoo, body wash, and all these things. We use toothpaste. And when other people see us, they observe us using our own company product, they also use us. Even my sister-in-law, there's so many people, they visit the home and they see, okay, this is a good tooth gel, this is a good face wash. When they see us consuming the product, actually we feel charged up. We feel, I mean, when you consume good nutrition, obviously your productivity improves, your sale improves, your team is watching you, your team also consumes the product. So that's why it is a $500 activity. Clear? Got it? So that's why I've written here. Now, what are the $100 activity? When you are restructuring decisions, establishing long-term partnership, when you're collaborating with other influencers, got it? Setting long-term strategy and direction, architecting systems and machines, and radical innovation. All these things will come into place when, suppose you take a decision that, okay, you want to automate your webinars. Tomorrow you are going to learn, tomorrow, day 2, I'm going to share with you how to automate your webinar. Now, this is a radical decision. This is a decision which you are going to take. This decision making, this system building, when you are sitting quietly, you and your laptop, and you are setting up Kajabi, you are setting up a landing page, you're setting up a webinar, this is a $1,000 activity. When you're creating a funnel for yourself and when you're creating a funnel for your team, that is a $1,000 activity. When you're setting up an affiliate system for your team, it is a $1,000 activity. So many times we just continue doing whatever we are doing, like we create content. If you are interested, WhatsApp me. This is business as usual. But take out some time to set up a system. When you set up a system, this system is going to work for you. This is a $1,000 activity. So I invest my time in setting up the system, like webinar automation. I've set up the webinar automation like this. Okay, I've set up tools like Kajabi. I set up Webinar Jam. I set up these are the tools which I use. Okay, if you go to dnaclub.in/tools, so these are the tools which I use to build my entire network marketing business. These are the tools. I have given you the link. So Kajabi, ConvertKit, StreamYard, Webinar Jam, Canva, Loom, MyNode. I know how to use these tools. Okay, Razorpay, Weed. Okay, then Ecamm Live. Using Ecamm Live, I'm live right now. So when I learn how to use this tool and when I set up these 5 days workshop, when I do the planning in the backend, this is $1,000 activity for me. Just type bulb on if you understood. Now, if you understood, I have properly bifurcated the task here. Just type bulb on if this has given you a totally different perception of looking at network marketing. Now, this is typical professional network marketing. I literally want you all to type these 2 words. Okay, and 2 words are very good. First of all, let me give you a concept. We call ourselves as digital network marketer. We call ourselves a network marketer. Okay, consultant, all these fancy words. But literally, I want you all to think about engineering everything. Build a business which is predictable. Build a predictable business. Engineer everything. So that's why call yourself, I'm giving you another good word, fancy word, and that's it. That is, call yourself as a digital engineer. Okay, I am a digital engineer. Call yourself a digital engineer. Engineer everything, each and every point, right from the lead generation to presentation to nurturing to onboarding. Okay, engineer everything. This gives you a mindset of predictability. Build a predictable business, whether it is 10,000 per month. Build a business which makes 10,000 consistently. Okay, got it? Only and only if you focus on the super productive activities. So digital engineer everything. Yes, Shubham is a digital engineer. Okay, I am a digital engineer.